In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Expensify from automatically submitting reports. If you've been finding that your expense reports are being sent off automatically and you'd like to control this process yourself, then you've come to the right place. Let's walk through it step by step so you can make sure your reports are only submitted when you're ready. First things first, you're going to want to open your Expensify workspace. Make sure you're logged in and at the home page of your workspace, the dashboard where all the magic happens. This is the starting point for all your Expensify activities, so get comfortable navigating here. Once you're in, the next thing you want to do is click on Workflows. You'll find this option prominently displayed on the interface, and it's your gateway to managing the various processes that automate tasks in Expensify. Now that you're in the Workflows section, your mission is to locate the option related to submission frequency. As you browse through the list of available workflows, keep an eye out for any mention of submission settings. It might be tucked away, but trust us, it's definitely there. Once you've found the submission frequency option, you'll notice that it's currently set to an automatic setting. This means Expensify is making decisions on your behalf about when to submit your reports. If you'd prefer to have the reins, this is the setting you'll need to modify. The final step is to change the submission frequency to manual. By switching this setting, you're telling Expensify that you want to be the one deciding when your reports go out. It's a small change, but it gives you a lot more control over your reporting process. Click on the setting to adjust it and select Manually from the drop-down menu. This ensures that from now on, reports won't be submitted unless you explicitly decide to submit them. And there you have it. With these 4 simple steps, you've successfully taken control of your expense report submissions in Expensify. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you manage your financial paperwork, allowing for more accuracy and peace of mind. Whenever you're ready to submit a report, just revisit your workflows and do it manually. Thank you for watching today's guide on mastering your submission settings in Expensify. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks to improve your productivity and efficiency. Don't hesitate to leave a comment with any questions or feedback you might have. See you in the next video, and happy expensing!